மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்கள் மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு ஆளுநர் அவர்களை பசுமை கூடை வழங்கி வரவேற்கிறார்கள்.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu welcomes the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu introduces the following officers to the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu. Lieutenant General K.S. Brar, AVSM, General Officer Commanding Dakshin Bharat Area, Chennai. Rear Admiral Satish M. Chennai, NM, Flag Officer Commanding Tamil Nadu and Puducherry Naval Area. Group Captain K.M. Raghuraman, VMG, Station Commander, FO Station Tambaram. Inspector General Datvinder Singh Saini, PM, Commander, Indian Coast Guard Region East. Thiru Shankar Jiwal, IPS, Director General of Police, Head of Police Force, Chennai. Thiru S. Davidson Devasivadam, IPS, ADGP, Law and Order, Chennai. Thiru A. Arun, IPS, ADGP, Commissioner of Police, Greater Chennai Police, Chennai.